Hey there, Jaya here to share a few quick tips on the Silicone Lovers Arouser. If a tickling tease is what pleases you, a lover's ring is perfect as it provides clitoral stimulation during intercourse. This will give you all the tease you desire. While the stimulators are great for keeping your clitoris going, the rings are great for helping your partner to maintain an erection. When placing the ring around his penis, gently pull down on the skin. This exposes more nerve endings and can increase his sensitivity and pleasure. For more quick tips like these, visit CalExotics.com.